Okay, let me remind you the previous lecture. In that lecture, we have studied that what are real numbers. In the real number, as you said, that is the combination of
Rational and irrational numbers.
yes, excellent combination of rational and irrational numbers. But we have studied that what are rational. So rational number consists of
Rational numbers are those numbers that have same numbers. They can have fractional numbers.
yes, means the numbers integers mean
Integers,
yes,
whole number.
uh, integer and the number that are in fractions but of this form.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
Like integers also in fraction.
yes, and integer that consists of natural whole numbers 0 1 2
Whole
3.
numbers.
Yes, 0 is there, 1 2 3 is there, and negative integers, yes, -1 -2 -3 and so on. So you learn about a part of the real number that is rational consists of integer and the fraction, and that integer consists of whole numbers and negative integers. Now moving to the irrational part. uh, so we are studying about the terminating decimals. And what is terminating decimal? Terminating decimals have what? That are has end. Terminating mean that ends. Mean 6.23, that's the complete number. 17.1 is fixed. And repeating number, when you write 7.2323232323, so these decimals goes on forever, and we write
No, sir.
2323.
But how do you go on like terminating numbers? Why didn't we do it?
No, we are no categorizing. We are not we are not doing that. That after when we need, yeah, when we have numbers and that repeat this property, and that repeat itself means 7.232323. When it comes, so we have to categorize it. So we will categorize it in the repeating decimals,
No, sir. In
and
this terminating
that will
decimal, why
be
didn't we do it?
that will
Sir,
be
in terminating decimal, why didn't we do it?
what?
In terminating decimal, see 6.2323.
No. Terminating that ends. There is no number other than these. That is the final number 6.23. That's completed. But here we have number that is 7.232323. We are not doing that. We are given like numbers like this. For example, we are given this, so we cannot do anything in it. And 17.1 number is given, so we cannot expand it 17.11111 because it is given. 17.1 is given, and we have to decide it is terminating or not.
Okay, and sir, in 5, it comes like this second one. Minus 6 to 1.55555.
Yes. So this is also repeating. We are given these numbers. These two numbers are given, so we categorize that in terminating number. And here, this number is given. So this line, this bar mean 232323. So it means these numbers are non-terminating. These are non-terminating, but repeat itself 23, 23, 23. Repeating decimals. These are known as repeating decimals. Okay, and 6 to 1.5555. So these are also repeating decimals. When you are given numbers, and you must have to differentiate between the terminating and non-terminating. That's the question. You must know.
And when, sir?
You must know this is terminating or not. If you have
Wait,
number
sir.
2, if you have number 2.5, so this is terminating or not?
Number 2. What, sir?
2.5. 2.5.
It is terminating.
Yes. And if you have number 3.3131313131,
Repeating.
repeating. Yes, that's the answer. Okay. No whole numbers, this is whole number, this is not a whole number. Okay, -6, because in whole number we know there is,
We bring direct numbers.
yes,
Like
in whole
0, 1,
number
2,
we don't have any negative numbers.
or positive.
Okay, so this is whole number, this is 1267, this is whole number, this is not. Okay, and perfect square, the square root of 9 is what? Square root of 9.
3.
Can you find the square root of 9?
Sir, wait.
Okay.
So square root of 9. No, sir.
No, sir. Sir, 3.
Yes, excellent. Yes, excellent. So when a number, when you find its square root and that give you a number, so it means this is perfect. You mean this 9, you can do it, this 9, this is 9, 3 power 2.
No.
No, 3 power 2 is 9. Because 3 power 2 means 3 into 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
So
Threes are.
yes, just replace this 9 by 3 power 2 and there is square root, and square and square root cancelled. Do you know? Square and square root cancel each other.
Square and square root.
Do you know?
Sir, can you do one question for us of this 100?
Okay.
I didn't understand.
Okay. You can do it by calculator, simply. Okay, no, this 100. This 100, this perfect square mean 3 into 3. So by taking square root, you will get only 1 3. And this 100, can you write this 100 as it's 10 power 2 or 10 into 2? 10 into 10. Do you know 10 power 2?
100.
Yes. What does it mean by 10 power 2?
Like 2 times 10 multiplied 10.
Yes. And the square root. So square and square root cancel each other. If you don't know, so no problem. Just find the square root of this, you will get only 10.
I can't understand.
If you find this in this way, if you have this formula, 250 to 25 and so on. Do you know this? How to find square root? Okay. Numbers like this form, and that are perfect square. By perfect square mean this we can write 3 power 2. Yes. This we can write 10 power 2. This we can write 20 power 2. But so these numbers are perfect squares. And if you have 4, so you can write this 2 power 2. This 4 is 2 power 2. But if you have 6 square root, can you write this 3 power 2 or 2 power 2? The square root 6. Can you write this as can you write this? No. So it means square root 6 is not a perfect square. So this is not a perfect square. So we are interested here in what? In perfect square. So
Okay.
these
Sir,
numbers, yes.
can you do us this 3-1 square one? I can't
Uh,
understand the square.
this one,
Square
this
root.
one, or the 400.
Sir, it's 400.
400. Okay. Uh,
20.
by you can try 20 20 power 2.
20 power to 400. So
20 power 2 means 20 into 20.
yes, sir, it comes 400.
So just like this is 3 into 3, this is 10 into 10. In the same way, we can write this 20 into 20. Okay. Are you getting? Should we move? Hello.
Sir, there you might be.
Sir,
Sir, जवाब कैसे है? अब मैं mute.
sir,
Sir, sir, sir.
Can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
What is it? Sir, सर आपकी आवाज हमें नहीं आ रही, आप क्या कह रहे हैं? इग्नेश तुम्हें आ रही है?
किसकी?
Are you hearing
सर
me?
की। Yes, now we can hear you.
Okay, okay. I think there was a network problem.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now rational and irrational numbers that you already know, non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. You know non-terminating, the 3.5, 3.578. These are non-terminating if it goes on. And but don't numbers like this one, non-terminating 65.659710. These are non-terminating. This is non-terminating. So all the non-terminating and non-repeating numbers are irrational. Okay. Just like pi. Pi is 3.1415. 14159265358 9, and so on. So this is non-terminating and non-repeating. these are different from each other. So these are irrational numbers. Okay, square root 73, that give you 8.5440037 and so on. So this is irrational and not a perfect square, not a perfect square, not a perfect square. Who will tell me, this is a rational or irrational?
Sir, wait. I
Okay,
will tell.
Irrational.
Irrational.
exactly.
Irrational.
Zabardast.
Ha.
No, moving to the real numbers. Real number that consists of rational and irrational. When you join,
What, sir?
yes, okay, let's move to the next today's work. You will learn a lot there. Okay, this is a 1 by 2. I want to ask you, this is rational or irrational? Tell me, 1 over 2 is equal to what?
फिर आपने क्या कहा?
Hello, screen is shared.
Yes, sir. Screen is shared.
Rational.
Okay, you asked, you told me that it's rational, but let me explain. 1 over 2 is equal to what? By division. When you divide it, what will you get? One divided by 2. One divided by 2 is equal to what?
1 over 2.
This is equals to 0.5. Just divide it, you will get this one. And this 0.5 is terminating or non-terminating? Is there any number other than 0.5 in it? 0.5, it is fixed. So means this is terminating. Hello.
Terminating.
0.5 is terminating, sir.
Yes, terminating. This is terminating, and all the terminating number are what? Rational. This is 0.5 and terminating, so that is rational. Okay, so it is rational. Now 1 by 3, this is equals to what? 1 by 3. When you divide 1 by 3, what will you get? You will get 0.33333.
सर आप बार क्लास से निकल क्यों रहे हैं?
ये क्या हो रहा है?
आपकी आवाज भी बीच में बंद हो रही है बार.
ओके, अब ठीक है.
Yes, sir. अब ठीक है.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 divided by 3 is equals to 1. Take calculator and divide 1 by 3. So you will get 0.33333. So is it terminating or not?
Not terminating.
Not terminating, but repeating. Okay. So non-terminating. Yes, you are right. So it is rational or irrational? Terminating and non-terminating repeating numbers are what? Are rational. Okay, so this is rational. Are you getting?
What, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And square root 2. This is equals to 1.414213562337. So is it terminating?
non-terminating.
And
It's not terminating.
non-terminating, yes. So it is rational or irrational?
It is
Irrational.
irrational.
Because when that repeats itself, so that known as recurring, and all the recurring are rational. And here this is different, answers are different. So this is irrational number. Non-terminating, sorry, non-recurring. Non-recurring mean different answers. So this is, yes, you all are right. Irrational number. Okay, very good. I think you are getting. And this 5 by 2 is equals to, at solution, 5 by 2 is equal to 0.272727. So it is rational or irrational?
Irrational.
0.227272727. Repeating. It is rational. Okay.
Irrational.
Irrational. Because answer is same, 0.27272. Okay, and square root 121 is equal to what? It is giving only 11. So it is rational or irrational? Reply me. This is number is natural number, this 11.
Okay.
And all natural numbers are natural numbers. All natural numbers are rational. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
This square root 56, when you simplify this, you are getting 7.48331447. So this is rational or irrational?
Irrational.
Irrational. Let me take your attendance.